Getting started on Facebook after signing up is essential for making the most of the platform. Follow these steps to complete your setup effectively. Step 1. Verify your email or phone number. Check your email or SMS for verification code sent by Facebook. Enter this code on the Facebook site or app to confirm your account and ensure it's secure. Step 2. Set up your profile. Go to your profile page and add a profile picture and cover photo. Fill in your basic information such as your name, location, and education to help friends find you. Step 3. Adjust privacy settings. Navigate to the settings menu and review your privacy options. Decide who can see your posts, send you friend requests, and view your profile information to enhance your security. Step 4. Find friends. Use the Find Friends feature to search for people you know. You can connect with friends by sending them friend requests or importing contacts from your email. Step 5. Explore features. Take some time to explore Facebook's features such as groups, events, and marketplace. Familiarize yourself with these tools to enhance your experience and connect with others. Now that you have completed your setup, you can start engaging with friends and exploring the vast community on Facebook. Enjoy your time on the platform.